Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, in this video, I will show you how to simply create WinRAR zip file without any stress on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. First thing you want to do is to right click on your Windows PC environment, then go ahead and click on New, then go ahead and click on Folder. So we can call this one Docs 2026 and then hit Enter. And the next thing we want to do is to drag all files and elements into this particular folder. So for that, I'm going to double click just to open the folder. You can see the folder is empty. So we want to make sure I'm going to drag this PDF right here. You can drag as many as possible files in this folder. So once you are done, close the folder. And the next thing you want to do is to come back to the folder right here. Click on the folder again, right click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to WinRAR. Simply click on Add to Anki right here. And this is going to pump up right here, and then you have running RAW right here, and the file size, and you can do all the proper settings right here. And the next thing you want to do right here, so go ahead and come down below right here and click on OK, and boom, you have your WinRAR right here on your Windows PC. You can see it right here, and you are done. It's that simple. So this is how to create WinRAR file in your Windows PC. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.